A&T Respiratory Lectures is going to offer a webinar on October 22nd that focuses on sleep medicine. We have a real interesting topic on the use of cannabis in sleep disorders. This is a fairly new research going out there, and I wanted to give you more insight on this topic. As I was mentioning, on October 22nd, we're going to be offering this webinar, which is for 5 hours. And one of the topics that are going to be presented by me, Terrence Shenfield, is called Cannabis and Sleep Disturbances. You may be wondering, there are many people who actually get a marijuana card to get cannabis to go to sleep. Some evidence has shown that cannabis can improve sleep quality, but it's a double-edged sword. Sometimes the cannabis can impact the sleep and make it worse. So you really need to understand a little bit about the strains of cannabis and exactly how it works on the body. So now that we have a good understanding about sleep anatomy and the stages of sleep, let's talk about how cannabis impacts your sleep. So to really have a good understanding of this, you need to understand certain facts, like what exactly is the endocannabinoid system, and you also need to know how cannabis impacts your sleep. And some people want to know, is cannabis habit forming? Is this a gateway drug? Some people who've been using cannabis for a long time and stop abruptly have withdrawal symptoms, so I'll talk about that. And I'm also going to be talking about the role of the endocannabinoid system with the circadian sleep cycle, which is a very, very important cycle. I'm going to talk about the role of CBD on insomnia, sleep quality. And you have to understand that insomnia is actually a qualifying condition for medical cannabis. So at the end of this presentation, you're going to be pretty well versed on all of these categories. So if this topic and the other topics look really interesting to you, this is how you could register. Remember, this is on October 22nd from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. You need to go to our website, www.respiratorylectures.com. Again, I'll repeat, www.respiratorylectures.com. You go to our webinar tab, you look up this event, which is on October 22nd, and you register. And this is going to be presented via Zoom, so make sure you have Zoom on either your laptop, your PC, or your cell phone. So we hope you join us because you're going to learn so much.